This lovely house, this lovely 3-bedroom house that is for sale. Come in and give you guys a little tour of this lovely 3-bedroom home here. As you guys can see the marble, we got hardwood floors. We have the lovely, what they call the slave blinds right here, the slave wooden blinds right here. We have in the background right here. We have this bathroom, this lovely bathroom right here. As you guys can see, give you guys a little lightweight demo. I'll make it quick, make it quick. Here's the other bedroom right here. Bam. Follow me. Oh, now we have the master bedroom right here. Guys, see the master bedroom? This is the master bedroom. We buy and flip houses. I am Gerry. And look at the master bathroom. You guys see the master bedroom? Nice closet right here. See the closet? And oh, we have this lovely deck out here. Take you out here to see the deck. Have the deck, guys. Look at the deck. Have your little parties with the jacuzzi right here. Bam, right inside the deck. Got the lovely backyard. Bam. 1,300 plus square feet. Bam. As you guys can see, we buy, build, and flip houses. And I am Gerry. If anybody is interested in this house, in this property, asking price is $650,000. We're in Los Angeles, California, as you guys can see. We build, buy, and flip houses, and my name is Gerry. If you're interested in this property, please give us a call at area code 323-517-4432. That's 323-517-4432. And tell them Gerry sent you. I'm out.